All right, this is Wylock second grade, lesson 9, fact family. This is the fourth portion, and it's write the fact family for the set of numbers. So we see 8, 3, and 11. And so we just fill in the blanks. So 8 plus 3, and the last remaining number is 11, so it should be 11. And then same with 3 plus 8, the only remaining option is 11, so it is 11. And then the opposite will be subtraction. So 11 minus 8, there's only 3 left. So it's 3. And then 11 minus 3, there's only 8 left over. So 11 minus 3 is 8. And then let's try it with number 2. There is 7, 13, and 6. So if we were to mimic the first question, it would be 7 plus 6, and since 13 remains, or 13 is the last one here, we put 13 down here. And then if we were to reverse that things we add, it will be 6 plus 7, which equals 13. And then we do the same for subtraction. We put the biggest number at the front, and that's 13. And then let's do minus 7. And then 13 minus 7, only 6 remains, so we put down 6 here. And then subtraction again, we put the biggest number, 13, and then minus 6 since we used 7 last time. And of course, that's 7. All right, let's go to the next page. Mixed review. This is mixed review of addition and subtraction. So let's do a few random ones. Let's see. Number 3, 9 minus 3. If we take 3 away from 9, we are left with 6. And then let's do number 5. 7 plus 8. Well, if you give 2 of the 7 to 8, you get 10. And then from the 7, you have 5 left over, so you get 15. Okay. And then let's do number 15. 9 plus 4, give 1 of 4 to 9, which makes 10, and there's 3 left over, so 9 plus 4 is 13. Alright, let's go to the next page. More fact families. Write the fact family for each equation. Amy pulls 12 cubes out of a bag. 7 cubes are pink, 5 cubes are green. Alright, so our numbers are 7, 5, and 12. Let's write these down. Okay, 7 plus 5. Obviously, that's 12 because that's how many cubes Amy pulled out. And then, same thing, 5 plus 7 is 12. And then with subtraction, remember we put the biggest number at the front, so it's 12. And then let's put minus the 7, which means there's 5 cubes because she picked out 7 cubes and they're pink, and the total was 12, and there's 5 cubes that are green remaining, so 12 minus 7 equals 5. And then reverse the 7 and the 5. 12 minus 5 green cubes, we get 7 pink cubes left. Alright, let's go to number 3. Cameron pulls 13 cards out of a bag. 13 cards. and then 2 cars are red, and the rest are brown. So we first have to do a little subtraction in our own head to find out how many are brown. So 13 minus 2, that gives us 1. 1 car is, no, 11 car is brown, sorry. So we have the numbers 13, 11, and 2 to use. Let's do 2 red cars and then 11 brown cars. We have 13 cars total, and then reverse the 11 and the 2, so it's 11 plus 2, which is 13 cars total. And then once again, remember with subtraction, we put the biggest number at the front. So that's 13 minus 2, and we have 11, which is what we did to find out what numbers we had to use. And then 13 minus 11 brown cars is 2 red cars. Alright, let's go to the next page. More problems. Let's do number 2. Oliver has 12 pennies. Lynn has 6 more pennies than Oliver. How many pennies does Lynn have? Alright, so Oliver has 12 and Lynn has 6 more pennies than Oliver. So we add 6 to the 12. So it's 12 plus 6, and that equals 18. Alright. Let's do 3. It's a little harder, but we can do it. So Grace has 9 blue cubes and 4 more red cubes than blue. How many cubes does Grace have in all? That all is important because we have to find how many red cubes there are and then add how many red cubes and blue cubes there are. So let's add 9 and 4 to find how many red cubes Grace has. And that's 13 red cubes. And so we have to add the 13 and the 9, so that's 13 plus 9, which equals 22 cubes total. Yeah, and that's it for this lesson. Thank you.